To detach the coil cable from the audio processor, first remove the battery pack cover. Make sure that the battery pack cover lock is in the vertical unlocked position. Then slide the cover off the battery pack. Gently pull the cable out of the socket. To detach the cable from the coil, first remove the coil cover. Insert your fingernail into the small groove between the coil cover and base, and slide around the base to gently detach it. Remove the old coil cable from the base and insert the new one. Note the orientation of the plug. The logo and arrow should face up. Place the coil cover over the base and gently press together until they snap into position. Plug the new coil cable into the audio processor, noting the correct orientation of the coil cable plug. Finally, slide on the battery pack cover. And if the audio processor belongs to a child, lock it into place.